Guys, today we are going to the forest, but we want to see what is my luck. Get started. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, it's a big forest. Oh, it's a very older forest. Oh, here is the route. It's a very dangerous route. We have changed our route. Tin, 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 tin. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. Oh, what is this? It's a pink color. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Wow. It's a car. Pink color. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Pee, 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 pee. Yes. Now we have put that box. Yes. Now we are finding another one thing. What is that? Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh. Eh. Oh. Wow. Beautiful. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Yes. Oh. Today we are very lucky. What is this? Oh, no. Hey, it's a green color. What is this? Oh my god. I don't know that name, but it's a very beautiful. Yes, I eat today too much. Yeah. Today I am very healthy. Yes. Now I put that one and come back. We want to go home. Tin 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 tin. Yes.